Hi, I'm Kerry Smith, Head of Sesame Lane, and today I would love to introduce you to our amazing team here at Head Office. So let's go into the operations little bubble and see who we can see. Hi team!
Hi.
Hi! Hi Michelle!
Hi. I'm Michelle, one of the area managers, and if you ask me the question like why I like what I'm doing, it is to support our educators in setting up amazing learning environments for our little people.
Mandy?
Hi, I'm the educational mentor for Sesame Lane, and I'm really passionate about making sure that we look from a child's perspective and that all of our educational programs and practices are up to the highest standard they possibly can be.
Reese, how are you?
I'm well, how are you?
Good.
Hi, I'm Reese, I'm one of the area managers, and I like breaking the stereotype and being a male leader in the profession.
Hi Kate!
Hi, Kerry. I'm Kate. I'm one of the area managers. I love supporting the centres to do the best they absolutely can do. And I love helping families to make sure that they get the best experience while they're at Sesame Lane.
Lucky last.
Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm one of the area managers, and I love to make sure that there is high quality practices happening everywhere.
And that we do well. Let's go and see who else we can find. Look who's coming. Hi Kelly.
Hi, Kerry.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and your role.
My role's super exciting. I get to be the inclusion coordinator and support everyone. So I support educators, families, and little people too.
Let's go and see Brianna.
Hi, Brianna.
Hi.
I'm the administration assistant here at head office at Sesame Lane, and I do a little bit of everything.
She does a little bit of everything for everybody.
Yes.
Hello, Marnie.
Hello, I'm working in finance and I do the budgets and payments and everything have to do with numbers.
Hi, Nikki.
Hi, how are you going?
You're hiding out in the training room.
I am. I'm the training and development and change manager, which is so much more than what it sounds like. I do a bit of coaching, a bit of mentoring, a bit of strategy, and most of all, I have a bit of fun with my training workshops.
Let's go and see the money people. Hi, Michelle.
Hi, Kerry.
I pay all of the bills.
Queen Lisa.
Oh,
How are you?
Oh, well, thank you. I work in finance for Sesame Lane, accounts payable, receivable, and little bits in between.
And last but not least is Shah.
I do Sesame Lane finances, and I also do the bank cracks.
Who's this lovely lady? Trying to run away from us. Hi, Tiffany.
Hi, Kerry. I take care of all the food for the children.
Hi, Kerry. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you? So I go to all the services and help build connections with other organisations to help support the children and families. And I also help organise events within the service and the community.
Hi, Tracy. How are you?
Hi, Kerry. Hi.
My role here is a trainer and assessor, so I take care of all the trainees, the apprentices, and the school-based trainees. I go out to the services, I support with their learning and observe while they're in the services.
Hello.
This is Tanya, head of Making New Friends.
Hi, Tanya.
Hi, Kerry. I am in marketing and I do events and the Sesame Lane website and all marketing things. And welcome to the team. I look forward to meeting you soon.
Thanks, Tanya. You'll see Tanya a lot.